So hello everyone, this is Madhura and today I'll be talking and giving you a small demo on how to use sunscreen, basically how to apply a sunscreen on your face and the exact quantity you need to cover your whole face. So before we get into this, I would like to tell you a few things about sunscreen. So if you are not new to my page, you must have seen me stressing about the importance of sunscreen in your daily skincare routine, as applying sunscreen in your skincare routine is one of the most important step in your entire routine. No matter whichever high-end brands you use, serums, moisturizers or whatever, nothing is going to work if you are not using a good sunscreen. And if you are new to my page, I'm linking my Instagram account in the description box. You may give it a follow, it's free. So before we jump onto the demo on how to apply the sunscreen, I would like to tell you a few things about sunscreen. So basically there are two types of sunscreens, chemical sunscreen and physical sunscreens. So the sun blockers in physical sunscreens are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, whereas in chemical sunscreens there are oxybenzone or avobenzone or homosalate. You might have seen such ingredients in the ingredient list. So what does the physical sunscreen do? So physical sunscreen creates a barrier between your skin and the UV rays, whereas in chemical sunscreens the sun blockers absorbs the UV rays so that your skin doesn't absorb them. So what is the difference between UVA rays and UVB rays? So both are ultraviolet rays from the sun that comes to the earth's surface. UVB ray compared to UVA ray does not penetrate into our skin that quickly, but it is one of the most important cause of skin cancer and sunburn. UVA rays on the other hand penetrate into our skin very quickly and is responsible for premature aging and wrinkles. Moving to the next question, when should I apply the sunscreen? So ideally 15 to 20 minutes before you step out of the house, and you should be reapplying the sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, and you need a sunscreen at your home too. So before jumping onto the demo, let us understand and cover up the most important and $1,000,000 question: how much sunscreen do you actually need? So roughly you need around 1 teaspoon of sunscreen to cover your entire face, or the quantity that covers your 3 fingers. So let's get started. I have tied my hair into a ponytail, and here I am using the sunscreen from Myoho Pure by Priyanka. It's an organic and physical sunscreen. I would recommend this sunscreen for dry to combination skin types. It has that texture which can make your skin look dewy, so I won't recommend this for oily skin types. It's a physical sunscreen which can leave a white cast on your face, but it happens with most of the physical sunscreen, so it's okay. Just have a look at the texture. It smells really amazing. So I'm done with my cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So I'm taking this sunscreen. I don't really need to measure it because I use it daily and I know the exact quantity that I need. You don't have to rub your sunscreen really hard, just a gentle massage so that it soaks up. That's it, and you're done.